Hello everybody and welcome to another video from Conservation Land Services, and it's now mid-March and today we're going to have a look at another plant on Schedule 9 of the Wildlife and Countryside Act, and this is three-cornered garlic, sometimes also known as three-cornered leek. So I'll turn the camera around and we'll have a look at it. This is this patch of three-cornered garlic or three-cornered leek, and it's a beautiful little white drooping flower, but if you have a look at little detail and then you can see how to identify it as three-cornered leek or three-cornered garlic. And if you look inside the petal, you'll see a distinct green stripe. So that's one identifier. The other is the cross section of the stem is distinctly three-cornered. And in addition to that, the cross-section of the leaf is also triangular. And this differs from wild garlic, because wild garlic, the leaf is much broader, almost oval, and the flowers of the wild garlic don't droop like this. They're more upright. And you don't have the distinctive green stripe going down the petal. Anyway, I hope you'll find that's helpful. For more information, please visit conservationlandservices.co.uk.